to the D4U USA channel. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. I'm so happy that you are here because this is the place where we help entrepreneurs and professionals live their American dream through their business, their investment, and their profession. I am attorney Mari Ribeiro, a lawyer licensed in the state of Florida, and today we're going to be talking about the two best visas for entrepreneurs, which is the E2 and the EB5, and who qualifies for each one. Now, before we get started, while yes, I am an attorney, it's important that you understand I am not your attorney unless we have an agreement that says otherwise. So everything I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is not to be considered as legal advice, and it is only going to be for your educational purposes only. This is because every one of you and your situations are totally unique, and that's why I invite you to reach out to us, send us an email, and we can give you personalized attention and guidance on how you can live your green card life through your investment. So let's jump in. Let's discuss the E2 visa. This is an investment visa, which is a temporary visa that does not give you permanent residency through a green card. It is for business professionals who want to invest money in the United States. Now, this investor visa is not available for everyone. It is only available for people from specific countries, for example, like Italy or Germany, Argentina, Spain, Switzerland, just to name a few. So while this visa is not available for everyone, it is an attractive option for investors who want to invest a smaller amount of money in the United States. There isn't a required amount for this investment through the E2 visa like other investment visas. And this is actually a good thing and a question that we usually get here a lot at D4U USA. However, the investment does have to be a substantial amount, and it usually happens to be around 100,000 United States dollars. And it really just depends on the business itself that you are going to be investing in. So for example, if you decide to invest in a logistics and trucking company and you have a fleet of trucks, you are responsible for gas, you are responsible for truck drivers, you are responsible for hauling products or shipments from different parts of the nation, it is going to require a lot more of an investment than if you were investing into a company like, for instance, media services that doesn't require such big equipment like trucks or hiring truck drivers or hauling around lots of equipment. Now, those that get the E2 visa cannot work in any other company, but the one thing that they are able to do is to work in the company that they are investing in. So yes, this will absolutely limit where they can work and how they can earn a living. So as you can see with the example of the E2, there's going to be different requirements and some flexibility depending on the type of company that you are actually going to be investing in. Now, let's discuss the EB5, which is a super well-known visa and popular option among investors as well. Now, let's discuss the EB5. This is a visa in which you can obtain your green card through your investment and receive permanent residency. This is one of the major differences between the EB5 and the E2. Another major difference is that it isn't limited to citizens of a particular country. So anyone from any country is eligible to apply for this EB5 visa. The biggest difference, however, is the amount in which to invest. So while the E2, like we mentioned, doesn't have a particular amount for the investment, it really just depends on the business, the EB5 absolutely does. So the minimum that you can invest for an EB5 program is $900,000 US dollars if your investment is within a targeted area, meaning it is a set location in in which the government is targeting an increase in jobs. If you invest outside of a target area, the investment must be at least $1,800,000 United States dollars. So as you can see, there is at least a huge difference, like 9 times of a difference, in the amount that you are going to be investing in for the EB5 versus your E2. For the EB5, there is also a requirement that your investment creates at least 10 jobs, which means that you will have to hire and prove that you are responsible for 10 job creations. Now, this is really the backbone and the purpose behind the EB5. It is to stimulate American jobs for American people through foreign investment. Now, this is a requirement that only the EB5 has and the E2 does not have. So now, which one would be the right route for you? Well, it's first going to depend on how much are you willing to invest in a US company as a starting point. If you're looking to invest a minimal amount or a nominal amount, it's going to be the E2 as an option versus your EB5, which has a minimum amount of 900,000 United States dollars. Also, you would want to consider if you are seeking a temporary visa, which would be for the E2, or if you are looking to have a permanent residency through a green card, which is the EB5. Next, you're going to want to consider whether or not you want to have the freedom to work in other companies or in other areas. If you would be content with working only in the company in which you are investing in, then that would be the E2, or if you want to have the freedom to work anywhere, then it would be the EB5. And of course, if you decide to look more into the E2, you want to make sure that you are a citizen from a country that is eligible for the E2 visa that you are applying for, whereas the EB5 does not have any requirement in which country you are from in order to be eligible. Of course, if you need help deciding which is the best option for you, either the E2 or the EB5, we are absolutely here to help you. And we invite you to contact us to help you find out what is the best option available. We'll see you on the next one.